Are you tired of hunting through Webex settings just to change your password? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly where to click. No frustration, no guessing. Let me walk you through it. First, sign in to your Webex account. Then I will guide you through the settings page, the security section, and the password reset steps, step by step. All right, let us start with the sign-in. Go ahead and open Webex in your browser and log in with your current credentials. This part is straightforward, just the usual username and password. Once you are in, you will land on your main meetings page. That is your starting point. Now, look up to the top right corner of that screen. You will see a small gear icon. That is the settings button. Give it a click. I have helped quite a few people with this, and this gear icon is the gateway to everything you need. It can be easy to miss if you're in a hurry, so take your time. Once you click that gear, your profile page will load. It might take a second or two, so just wait for it. The page is called My Webex Profile, and it lists all your account details. This is where the real work happens. Now, scroll down a bit. Keep going until you spot the security section. It is usually about halfway down the page. If you are wondering why we are looking there, it is because Webex groups all the sensitive account options together. That is where the password lives. In the security section, you will see a row labeled Password. Right next to it, there is a button that says Reset. Click that Reset button. I have seen people click around the page looking for a direct edit option, but this is the exact path. Reset is your next move. At this point, Webex might ask you to verify your identity. It depends on your account settings. If a prompt pops up asking for a code sent to your email or phone, just follow those on-screen instructions. It is a simple security check, and it only takes a moment. If it does not ask you, great, you can skip right ahead. Now we get to the main event. Enter your new password. Make sure it is something strong, but something you can remember. A mix of letters, numbers, and a symbol works well. Type it carefully into the first box. Then confirm your new password by typing it again in the second box. This is just to make sure there are no typos. Take an extra second here because a small mistake can lock you out later. Look for the button that says Save, Update, or Reset Password. The exact wording might vary depending on your version of Webex, but it is always the same idea. Click that button to submit your change. Now, just wait a moment for Webex to process the update. You should see a confirmation message pop up saying something like, Password changed successfully. That is your green light. And that is it. Your Webex password has now been changed successfully. The next time you sign into your Webex account, use your new password. If you are still logged in on other devices, just sign out and sign back in with the new one. Changing your password does not have to be a headache. Now you know exactly where to go and what to click. If this helped, you have got this for next time too. Thanks for watching and happy Webexing!